So now we've seen how to set up the measurement unit on the camera, let's look how to set up the control interface. So we have 3 target features down here. S is for single point. Single point will allow me to touch anywhere on the set so I can measure on the fly and get an instant distance measurement reference. I can also track something coming through the frame by simply touching and dragging around the screen. Tracking. Now this allows me to put a tag on a subject and it can move around the frame. Now with my 32mm field of view and a slightly longer lens, it means I can actually pick up an actor before they come into frame. The next option we have is near. So near allows me to select a target area. So if I go to A, select near, this box here I can change the size and the position of where I want my measurement information to be. Now this is a visual representation similar to what you would have with ultrasound, but you don't know where those boundaries are. But here you have a very clear and precise boundary and measurement line. Anything inside that line, it will pick up the closest subject to the sensor. Now using the system, we have 2 measurement information points, which is A and B. So this gives us 2 distance references. I can simply touch on A. This will highlight in my box and I can move this around depending on which trigger mechanism I want to use. Now we also have an option here if we're using a tight or long lens, we have a zoom function that will allow me to crop the shot that's being created by the stereoscopic measurement. This gives me more points that I can actually target if I want to be more precise with focusing and autofocus. If I switch back to position A, I can switch my distance information by simply pressing the switch A to B. Now this information will be provided and supplied up in the top corner, but also supplied to the hand unit that receives that information, such as the C-Pro, ARRI or a third-party lens control system.